Filing first in a divorce proceeding, whether in Tennessee or any other state, can have both potential advantages and disadvantages. It's important to note that the decision to file first should be based on your specific circumstances and legal advice from a qualified attorney. Here are some potential reasons why someone might consider filing first in a Tennessee divorce. Control of the process. By filing first, you initiate the divorce process and may have more control over the timing and pace of the proceedings. This can be particularly advantageous if you want to set the tone for the divorce and have more influence over the process. Strategic advantage. Filing first allows you to present your case first, which can give you the opportunity to frame the issues and potentially influence the court's perception of the situation. Preempting unfavorable filing. Filing first might help you prevent your spouse from filing in a jurisdiction that could be more favorable to them. This is especially relevant if you and your spouse live in different states or counties. Temporary orders. When you file for divorce, you can request temporary orders for matters like child custody, spousal support, and property division. Filing first gives you the chance to request these orders and potentially secure your interests during the initial stages of the divorce. Psychological impact. Filing first can often catch the other party off guard, potentially giving you a psychological advantage. It can set the tone for negotiations and discussions. However, there can also be potential drawbacks to filing first. Perceived aggressiveness. Filing first might be perceived by your spouse as an aggressive move, potentially escalating conflict and making negotiations more difficult. Higher costs. The party that files first usually incurs the initial legal costs, which might be a disadvantage if you're not financially prepared for the divorce process. Less time to prepare. If you rush into filing without adequate preparation, you might not be fully ready to address all the legal and financial aspects of the divorce. Strategic response. Your spouse might have the advantage of responding to your filing, allowing them to counter your claims and potentially putting you on the defensive. Ultimately, the decision of whether to file first in a Tennessee divorce should be based on a careful consideration of your individual circumstances, legal goals, and the advice of a qualified divorce attorney. Laws and procedures can vary, and a skilled attorney can help you make an informed decision and guide you through the divorce process in a way that protects your rights and interests.